How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app WhatsApp or click here and search. Go to force stop, click OK and go to storage, click clear cache and just click clear cache and go to data and turn off mobile data and turn on and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on. After these tips you can restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.